and I started getting these sharp pains in my hip. I went to an orthopedist, did an x-ray, and they noticed that I have a cam lesion and a pincer lesion. Said, this hip is no good. You have to have a hip replacement. I was like, well, that's just never going to happen. I'm just not going to do that. So I said, I'm going to call Dr. Calapai. I said, if I ever needed to have this done, he was the guy I was going to go to. Even though I live in southern New Jersey, there's not a lot of people that do this. It's not a cheap procedure, but I want to make sure it's done by someone who has a lot of experience. So we talked, we discussed things, and in February 2020, I had the procedure done. I ended up having it in 2 locations. I mostly needed it in my hip. I had it also in my knee. It had just given me a lot of problems for years and years. Took it easy for about 2-3 weeks. February 2020, I returned to training. March 7th, I did my first tournament. There's a lot of jiu-jitsu competitors, 56, so I competed against a lot of 20, 30, and 40-year-olds. Lost a lot of matches in a row, but then I went to a really big tournament and I won gold medal. And this is a tribute to the stem cell therapy that I received from Dr. Calapai. It really allowed me to do things that I never would have been able to do without it.